the Approval Genie, we want to see past your bad credit. We want to see past the credit report, which might look very, very bad. And we want to hear your side of the story, because at the end of the day, it does matter.
My name is Ash. I'm the president of Approval Genie. I started the Approval Genie about 3 years ago, seeing that there was a need to have proper facilitation for people that have had some issues with credit, get into a car, but more than importantly, start to rebuild and reestablish their credit.
That is the main focus. So we see people, that who have lost all their hopes. No one will give them any loan. The banks have said no.
I can tell them what they're doing wrong to make it right and get them to the right process.
Along with that, I need to figure out why they might have gone through their difficult situations to begin with.
It's not car sales per se. It is financial services, what we do.
We got customers from all over Ontario and from other provinces that are coming in here to take our services, because we treat our customers very professionally with the best service that we possibly can.
I'm not like, selling them something. I feel like I'm helping them out with the credit.
We're always here to help you guys out.
Every time I hear someone's story, I see the same situations and circumstances that happened to me.
They have been through so many different circumstances, things that they can't avoid in their life, such as death in the family, accidents, job loss.
To be brutally honest, I was in the same situation before. I had really bad credit, and I know how tough it is to actually rebuild your credit and stuff like that, because I'd go out to apply for things and I'd get declined everywhere, and it really was not a good feeling.
We've gone through the hard times with not having money in the bank and not being able to put enough money in our car for fuel if my dad, if we needed to go out somewhere. I've seen it.
We want to hear and listen to their stories and situations in terms of why they might have gotten to the place that they got to.
Like, there's nothing better in the world, because it feels like I'm giving back to the community now. So these vehicles go through 180-point inspections. They're all properly touched by a mechanic, and if there's any issues with the car whatsoever, we will stand behind the product.
Our inventory literally is changing on a day-to-day basis.
We've had every kind of vehicle out there.
Bank value inventory means the inventory is usually 2008 and newer. It has less than 100,000 kilometers. It has no accidents.
Escalates, no problem.
It's all over the place. I'm surprised sometimes at what we're able to get from people.
The best part is the interaction. Here, you are not talking over the phone, you are talking to them in front of you.
Thank you very much, AJ. This was a really easy process. You were very good at explaining everything to us and walking us through everything. It was really nice. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad to help.
I got a 2008 Santa Fe, and it's great. I mean, I didn't really even think that I was going to get into a vehicle today. So it was really nice to have one.
This is the car we got from AJ.
Thank you, AJ.
Discipline yourself. If you make payment for 10 months, you will move from point A to point B. That is guaranteed.
It starts with money management, credit rehabilitation and restoration, and that's where I come in.
And an automotive loan is the best way to get your credit rebuilt, hands down.
The bank wants to give them a second chance, and the Approval Genie wants to help them.
Well, I mean, the online space can be really crowded.
We want you to know us, so we suggest that before filling out an application, call us and find out who we are.
Excellent team. I've never seen a team like this.
We are advice givers.
Think about Approval Genie first. And the way that we want to facilitate this is through the word of mouth. So the more satisfied customers that we have, the more that people should be able to talk about Approval Genie.
We realize how tough these situations can be, and we really want to do our best to get them approved and get them back on their feet in terms of rebuilding and reestablishing their credit.
Visit our website. You'll see hundreds of testimonials on our site that directly are from real customers. Go to our Facebook page and Twitter and check us out.